Hey everyone, in this video we are gonna cover animated opacity widget in Flutter. Let's get started. Here in the build method I have a column. Inside this column I'll use animated opacity widget. This widget requires two main properties, opacity and duration. If I hover over opacity, you will see that it takes a double value. To control this, I'll go outside the build method and create a boolean variable called show, and I'll set it true initially. Now I'll come back to opacity and write if show is true, the opacity will be 1, which means fully visible, and if it's false, then the opacity will be 0. Next I'll move to the duration. This is where we control how long the animation takes. I'll set it to 500 milliseconds. After that we have the child. Here I am using a simple image.network with a URL. If I save it, we can see our image on screen. Now I want to make a button. When I tap on it, the image should fade out, and when I tap it again, the image should fade back in. Before making the button, I'll insert a size box for spacing, and then I'll use our elevated button. In the child, I'll use a text, and inside I'll say if show is true, then it should display hide, and in other case, it should display show. To control it, I'll go inside onPressed and use setState. Inside the setState, I'll toggle the variable. If I save it now, the button display hide, which means the opacity is currently full. If I tap on the button, the image slowly fades out, and if I tap it again, image fades back in. That's the power of implicit animations in Flutter. This widget can greatly enhance the user experience in your app. Make sure to check it out, and I'll see you in the next one.